Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years to quiet the mind, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. But did you know that its benefits go far beyond simply relaxing your body and calming your thoughts? In this video, we will explore 7 essential benefits of meditation that can transform your daily life. From improved focus to increased creativity, we will discuss how meditation can help you unlock your full potential and live a more fulfilling life. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the incredible power of meditation. Number 1. Stress reduction. Meditation is widely known for its stress-reducing benefits. By focusing on your breath and letting go of distracting thoughts, you can calm your mind and body, reducing feelings of anxiety and tension. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that meditation can reduce stress and anxiety. Symptoms in people with mild to moderate depression. Number 2. Improved focus and concentration. Meditation helps you develop a strong and unwavering focus, which can improve your concentration in other areas of your life. A study conducted at the University of California, Los Angeles found that meditation can increase gray matter in the brain, which is associated with improved cognitive function and attention span. 3. Enhanced self-awareness. Through meditation, you learn to observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment, increasing your self-awareness. And emotional intelligence. A study published in the journal Emotion found that long-term meditators have a better understanding of their emotions and can regulate them more effectively. 4. Increased creativity. When your mind is calm and focused, you open yourself up to new ideas and perspectives, fostering creativity and innovation. A study published in the Journal of Research in Personality found that mindfulness meditation can enhance creative thinking by increasing the generation of novel and useful ideas. 5. Improved sleep quality. Meditation before bedtime can help you relax and unwind, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. A study published in the Journal of Holistic Nursing found that a single session of mindfulness meditation can improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia symptoms. 6. Reduced symptoms of depression. Meditation has been shown to reduce the symptoms of depression by promoting positive emotions and helping you focus on the present moment. A meta-analysis published in Clinical Psychology Review found that mindfulness-based therapies can alleviate depressive symptoms and reduce the risk of relapse. 7. Better relationships. By improving your self-awareness and emotional regulation, meditation can enhance your ability to communicate effectively and build stronger relationships. A study published in the journal Personal Relationships found that couples who engaged in mindfulness-based interventions reported improvements in their relationship satisfaction and communication. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool that can transform your daily life in numerous ways. From reducing stress and anxiety to enhancing creativity and improving sleep quality, the benefits of meditation are vast and far-reaching. By incorporating a daily meditation practice into your routine, you can unlock your full potential and live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. So take some time each day to quiet your mind. Focus on your breath and let go of distractions. The benefits of meditation can be felt not only in your mind and body, but also in your relationships and overall quality of life. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on meditation and other topics. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your meditation journey.